dire Tamayan Shah, a príomhchathair in South Idaho, Boise. Tamoid beagnach 1 kilometer as Arja in Shah in Larna Chachrach, mar tamoid in Achlish na Shlev Tarakis. Maar Svedra Gaeilge tá go leor bratachaí basc in Shah in Larna Chachrach. Ken fell. Well, is Boise an chachar expat basc is mosa down. Agus is Svedra Kant ask basc in Shah. Tá mí staidir in teanga sin tá sé an deacair beidir níos deacair an na Gaeilge. Agus má tá fan ort teachtain seo agus contrast basc, well, cin tower, well, shot and rune. Lautar fi coga Spanish in shot in nu gomininic anu. So like, you know, it's folio Franco. Inu. So Sinead Mata fun or better, Gaeilge and bar Guernica trust the moher. Just remember, down with Franco, down with Franco. Yeah, and you have a lot of friends. Okay, Sinead.